You, yes, you. Are you gearing up for your OPRA exam but don't know where to start? Don't worry. I have got a 3-month structured plan that will keep you on track, stress-free, and fully prepared. You, yes, you. Are you gearing up for your OPRA exam but don't know where to start? Don't worry. I have got a 3-month structured plan that will keep you on track, stress-free, and fully prepared. Dedicate your first 1 month to build your foundation. Break down the OPRA syllabus, covering therapeutics, patient care, biomedical sciences, pharmacology, and more. Understanding which topics carry more weightage can shape up your study priorities. And yes, don't forget pharmaceutical calculation. This section trips up many students, but simple formulas and calculation hacks can make it easier. On your second month, you can deep dive and get yourself familiarized with RASH methodology. This is where you can tackle core subjects like pharmacology, clinical pharmacy, and case-based scenarios. At this stage, active recall and practice questions are your best friends. And let's talk about RASH methodology. This scoring system rewards accuracy over guessing. Understanding it reduces test anxiety. Allied Expertise provides exclusive mock tests using RASH methodology, helping aspiring pharmacists build confidence before exam day. Want to connect? Comment OPRA below. On your third month, you can use Mnemonics and mock tests to ace your examination. In the final stretch, you can use Mnemonics and drug classification tricks to make memorization easier. You can create visual associations to learn drug mechanism and drug interactions. And lastly, mock test. Simulating real exam conditions, build confidence, refines time management skills. Allied Expertise offers structured mock tests designed specifically for OPRA candidates. 3 months might seem short, but with this structured plan, right strategy, and expert guidance, you can crush your OPRA exam. If you want to know more about such strategies, hit like button, share button, subscribe to Allied Expertise for more such updates without forgetting to hit that bell icon. And connect with Allied Expertise by commenting OPRA below.